Wonderful people, welcome to GABBY GA channel. Today we are going to learn how to make popcorn. Not just popcorn, ginger and honey popcorn. Come, let's do it together. Yalla! Let's quickly go through the ingredients. We have our ginger and honey popcorn. We have about 10 grams of ginger, 10 grams of butter unsalted, salt, honey, popcorn kernel, and sunflower oil. Use the ginger, use the small parts, not the big part. Okay, now the ginger is ready. I'll put the pot on medium, 1 tablespoon of oil. The oil is to prevent the kernel from sticking to the pot. I'll toss the oil around so that it will coat at the bottom of the pot. What we do now is, I call this one temperature test. So I'll put 4 kernels. When it pops, meaning the pot is ready. I can see one is about to pop. Start with the whole bunch. They are warming up. I can feel it. I can feel it in the spirit. Wow, marvelous. 1, 2, see, very nice. 3, wow, mashallah, mashallah, mashallah. We are waiting for the last one. When it pops, then we know the pot is at the right temperature. So let's wait for the last one. Boom. Okay, so now we will move it from the stove for about 30 seconds, because now the pot is hot. If you let it still be on the stove, it will be too much hot. So you can add now. This is 1 cup of popcorn kernel. Shake it very nice to make sure it's everywhere. So let's just leave it for just 30 seconds before we continue on the stove. All right, so what we'll do now is we wait for it. When it starts popping, then I'll put the cover. Just give a little more shake so that the oil can coat each and every one of it. Wow, beautiful. So 2-3 more pops, then I cover. Mashallah, mashallah. So let's just wait patiently for it. Wow, beautiful. Okay, you can see I have a little hole here on the lid. So if the pot you are going to use doesn't have a hole like this, you can just open little part of your pot like this so that the popping ones cannot escape, so that some of the heat can escape. We will not have our popcorn steaming, because we want it to be very crunchy. For no one like soggy or soft popcorn. Nice one. Let me give it a little shake again. Oh, we don't want to see our popcorn get burnt. Lovely, lovely. Tap, 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 tap. Okay. Once in a while, you shake it so that your popcorn doesn't get burnt. Mashallah, mashallah, mashallah. You can see it takes a time for us to hear a pop, meaning most of the kernels are popped now. The kernels are popped now. So I'll make the honey and ginger sauce for the kernel. Let me taste and see how it is now. Beautiful. Let's make the sauce. Okay. The pot is on medium. Butter inside. Shoo! Okay. Beautiful. So When it melts and it's turning color, I'll put the ginger. When the ginger is nicely sauteed, then I add the honey. Beautiful. Okay, the butter is melted nicely. Beautiful. Turning color now. Ginger inside. Beautiful. See how nicely it is foaming. I love it. Nicely golden brown now. Beautiful. So I will add 100 ml of honey. Beautiful. I'll just cook it further 2 minutes and it will be ready for us to add our popcorn. Beautiful. I like how it is foaming. I love it. Very sexy. All right, about 2 minutes now. I like the golden brown color. Now our popcorn inside. Very nice. Beautiful. Okay, at this stage I can turn the heat off. Alright, so you can see now it has all joined together in a holy matrimony. So it's ready. Beautiful. I'll transfer it here. Very nice.
We add a little salt.
Dear friend, the popcorn is ready. See how beautiful it is. Let me just taste one and see how it is. Dear friend, this is very good. I like the sweetness from the honey and a little kick from the ginger. You are not just eating nice and delicious popcorn, but you are eating very nutritious popcorn. Because honey is nutritious, it contains a lot of nutritional property, and ginger also contains inflammatory properties. So you eat this one, enjoy it for movies, also getting more health benefits. I hope you like this popcorn and you will definitely try it at home. And after trying, don't forget to give me comments under the video. Thank you for watching. God bless you and God bless us all. Adieu.